Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Rainbow Oracle. This is an inspirational oracle card reading, and you're going to choose one of 3 cards, and the beautiful animal spirit message is waiting for you. Are you looking for some inspiration, some guidance on your personal journey? Take some time, follow this video, and be inspired by the power of the animal spirits. This reading may help to connect you with the energies and the guidance that you need right now, so you are able to master your unique path, your unique challenges, and that you may evolve and unfold your unique and wonderful potential. What kind of energy or guidance do you need right now? Take a deep breath and listen to your inner voice. Choose one of the 3 cards to receive a message from the animal spirits. Try to decide as intuitively as possible. Be guided by your intuition. If you decided that the first card, the card on the left with the earthy colored jaspis stone, is your inspirational card for today, then this is your message. So let's reveal the card, and here we have the goose. Take some time to meditate, to resonate with the goose. The spirit of the goose offers you guidance. The goose brings loyal, protective energies into your life and blesses you with courage and humbleness. This beautiful bird spirit brings a strong social aspect into your life and into the situation. The goose may help you to figure out relationships in general, friendships and family relations. It helps you to enjoy and celebrate those strong emotional connections, or to figure out and heal relations and connections that need some attention and some healing. Maybe you are in a situation of change, maybe you feel uncomfortable. The spirit of the goose may help you to manage the fear of change, the fear of the unknown, the discomfort of those situations. With the goose, you are able to travel in a safe and comfortable way. The goose will accompany you, guide you, support you. The goose will bring stability and movement at the same time into your life. The important thing is, what was your reaction to this card, to the goose? How do you resonate with the goose, with the image? What ideas, what pictures, what kind of associations pop up in your head when you see the goose, when you think about the goose in their natural habitat? I will give you some more clues. If these are helpful for you, take them and work with them. If you do not resonate with these attributes and associations from my side, then just leave them behind. The goose is also strongly connected to the heart chakra. This animal spirit has a strong social component. This spirit teaches us to be humble and friendly and to be in service of others. If you have topics that are related to your heart chakra, the goose may help you to work on that. From my experience, the goose is a wonderful companion. The healing stone that I put with the card is an earthy colored jaspis. This stone has a really strong connection with the element earth and balances out the high air quality of this animal and the heart chakra and the element air. So if you need some grounding, if you need some roots before you fly, then you may use this beautiful stone in your meditations and your spiritual practice. If you picked the second card, the card in the middle, the card with the blue sodalite stone, then this message is for you. And here we have the snake. Take some time to connect with the energies of the snake. The spirit of the snake comes into your life to share her wisdom with you. The snake is the master of transformation. She's a wonderful teacher and lets you understand the cycles of life, the cycles of growing, dying, and being reborn. The spirit of the snake blesses you with ancient magic and strong healing energies. And of course, the snake is a symbol for the Kundalini energies and is telling you that you should continue working with your fundamental Kundalini energy, or that you should start to work with this force that is rooted in your root chakra and who wants to evolve and reunite with the Shiva energy in your crown chakra. Important is what you feel when you see the picture of the snake, what you feel, what resonates inside you. But I would like to give you some additional clues and attributes that I think are important in connection with the spirit of the snake. If these extra information resonate with you, then please enjoy them, play with them, learn from them. And if you do not resonate with these suggestions, just leave them behind and make your own experiences. So the snake and the Kundalini process starts in the root chakra, and then the explosion of all this energy has a second important basis in the second chakra, our chakra of creation. So the snake is helping you to work from the bottom to the top through your different energy centers. And I get the information that especially the second chakra is really important to unleash the creative power that every one of us has inside, and the snake could help you to let bloom and let shine. The snake is also connected to the element of water and our emotions. So this could be a hint to work in these areas, and the snake could help you to work your unique way through your personal challenges. And the stone that was partnered with this card is a black stone, a snowflake obsidian. So maybe this stone gives you some personal information, and maybe you would like to work with it. These are only suggestions. Important is what is coming up in your head, in your heart, and just try to work with that so that the snake is able to share her incredible wisdom with you. If you decided to pick up the third card, the card on the right side, the card with the blue sodalite stone, then this message is for you. Let's reveal the card, and here we have the wolf. Take your time to meditate and resonate with the energy of the wolf. The spirit of the wolf comes into your life at this moment to bless you with confidence and protection. The spirit of the wolf is independent and strong-willed and wants to share these abilities with you. The wolf may help you to be a wise leader. He helps you to strengthen your integrity and your natural authority. The strong and fierce and beautiful energy of the wolf helps you to express your unique being in an authentic way. Important in the end, of course, is what you feel when you think about the wolf, when you look at the picture of the wolf. What feelings, what thoughts, what body reactions pop up? What is your reaction, your resonance with the energy of the wolf? What would you like to learn from this master of strength, will, of protection, and also of insight and learning? What do you learn from this wonderful spirit right here, right now? Some additions that may help you to work with the energy of the wolf. We have here the element earth, and connected to the element earth is our body. So the wolf is connecting you with some strong earth energy, some real earth magic, and at the same time the wolf connects you with the ether, like with the fifth element that transcends the four other elements. So it connects you to the Great Spirit and to Mother Earth. So the wolf is a really fabulous, amazing guide, and you could encounter this energy through your body, through working with your body, enjoying your body, dancing, doing sports, or whatever feels right for you. And concerning the energy centers of our body, the spirit of the wolf may help you to figure out which energy center needs help, and is also very helpful to manage issues with the solar plexus chakra. The stone that I put with this card is the sodalite, beautiful blue stone that may help in a lot of situations and is really good for figuring out our emotions. So I hope this is helpful and you enjoy your personal process and work with the spirit of the wolf. My beautiful soul, I hope you were inspired by your personal animal spirit message for this full moon in July 2024. This is the time of summer, of harvest, of abundance. Enjoy the summer. Enjoy the energies of this time. I hope to see you back for my next reading. And if you like this inspiration, leave a like and subscribe. I wish you all the best. I hope you feel inspired. Have a wonderful day, you beautiful soul.